Howdy. Wanted to show you my latest eBay purchase. It's a Gray KeyNoter transcription dictation machine. It's an executive model DI7S. It was made by Gray Manufacturing starting about 1960. They're noted for the Gray Audograph, and this is the modern, compact, portable, solid-state version. It was very expensive in the early 60s. In fact, they had a leasing policy. You could lease this thing for about $11 a month. It transcribes on circular vinyl discs as opposed to like Dictaphone, which used the Dictabelt. But anyway, you stick the disc inside here. It has a playback volume control. Here underneath the unit is the record level control. That's the idiot light. This is what Gray called the voice mirror. It's their version of the magic eye that flashes off and on to show recording level. It has talk, that's actually record. They call it talk. It's listen, which is their version of playback. This is a quick repeat, which when you're recording, you can press that and it'll play back a few grooves to go over what you've been talking about. This is E, end of letter. This is C for correction. Those are little buttons that you press to punch into this index strip that goes in here. It was used to keep track of what you were recording where on the disc. We're going to go ahead and use the microphone. Microphone has the control button, and we're going to talk and do a recording, and then we're going to play it back. But not before we plug it in. Okay, I plugged it in. I've depressed the talk button. Notice that the idiot light is now on, and let's make a recording. Hello there. It is Saturday, May the 2nd, 2015. I'm making a recording on the Gray KeyNoter. You can see that it's already starting to cut some grooves on the disc. We're going to play this back and show you how well the thing works. This is the executive model, so it has an internal speaker right there, and you can also hear the playback on the microphone, which is common to these units. So let's stop this thing and play it back. Stop it by pressing listen. We're going to move the disc back in, and we're going to press listen. Hello there. It is Saturday, May the 2nd, 2015. I am making a recording on the Gray KeyNoter. You can see that it's already starting to cut some grooves on the disc. We're going to play this back and show you how well the thing works. Okay, so it does work well. And take the disc out. You can take the thing apart by removing a couple of screws in the back. Okay, I'll pop that open, and we're going to unplug it. Fantastic, I've unplugged it, so I'm not going to shock myself. I've removed the bottom case, just 2 screws. The bottom case latches onto the chassis using that, and the top comes right off. There it is. Not much room to spare there. Very efficient technology. I love 60s technology. The recorder had a missing belt right there. There are 2 belts. One of them was missing. I used a rubber band. It's working perfectly right now. May not last forever. Look at this cool feature. What if I want to get to the belt? Ooh. All I have to do is pull that up. There's the drive belts. This is the worm gear that moves the disc in and out. Okay, there's your electronics motherboard. This is the record stylus head. Notice that goes down when I press talk. This is the playback stylus head. Notice that goes down when I press listen. So there you have it, the Gray KeyNoter. Hope you enjoyed.